welcome back to yet another video. This is Alecia's kitchen, and in today's video guys, I'll be making my Jamaican jerk chicken Rasta pasta. Y'all heard that? Rasta pasta. So guys, thank you once more for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn in your post notification so you can get notified when I post new videos. So guys, let's jump right into the video, shall we? So guys, in a pot on high heat, I'm adding salt to that water, and I'm gonna let that water boil. Then after, I'll be adding my penne pasta, and I'm gonna let that pasta cook until it's al dente, which means still firm. Now guys, that my pasta is finished, I'm gonna rinse that with cold water just to bring the temperature down, because you don't want your pasta to go overcook with that heat. So now guys, we're ready to make our sauce. Now guys, to make our sauce, I'm using heavy cream, half and half, which I won't be using, some parsley, my peppers, garlic powder, paprika, my Parmesan herb seasoning, my Walker's Wood Jerk seasoning, the mild one, Old Bay seasoning, and my cheeses are mozzarella, pepper jack cheese, sharp cheddar, and some parm. And now guys, in a skillet, I'm adding my extra virgin olive oil, and I'm just gonna let that heat just for a couple seconds, and I'll just saute my veggies. Now guys, I'm adding my red onion, some garlic, and you're just gonna stir that until it's fragrant. Then I'm adding my peppers, and you're just gonna continue stirring that. So now that my veggies are ready, I'm about to add my heavy cream. And guys, you can use any cream of your choice. You can use double cream, half and half, even this heavy cream. Whatever cream you guys have on hand, you can use. And then I'm about to flavor my pot, and I'm using my Old Bay seasoning. I'll also be adding some paprika, garlic powder, my parm herb, and you're just gonna stir that until it comes to a boil. And now guys, I'm adding my jerk seasoning. I mean, you guys can go hard on your jerk seasoning if you want, but even though I'm Jamaican, I'm not someone who likes spice at all. See, I'm adding more. I'm adding more because I couldn't taste it, but it was okay. It was mild, but still. And then I'm just adding about a teaspoon of salt. So guys, now that our sauce has started to thicken, it's about that time where we add our cheese. Now guys, our sauce is getting there. Slowly but surely it's getting there, okay? It's just a bit, watery right now, so you're just gonna let that thicken just for a couple more seconds. See, it's just a little bit watery. Okay, now this is what I'm talking about. Okay, now guys, I'm gonna add the most important ingredient to me, which is my parsley. Y'all already know this thing. This is a goat of all herbs. Okay, my parsley. Okay, now guys, this is optional. You guys don't have to add parsley. You really don't. Now guys, I'm adding some thyme. I'll also be adding about a teaspoon of oregano. And now we've reached the perfect consistency, guys. You're just gonna continue stirring that sauce, so that all that herb just, infuse in that sauce. And oh yeah, we don't want a boring runny sauce. No, 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 honey. You can't be eating a boring runny sauce. No, sir. Pasta is spicy up and nice. You see it? Yup. Guys, don't listen to me, okay? Don't listen to me. So now guys, it's time to add our penne. Oh yeah. And now guys, you're just gonna fold that in. Just fold that in the sauce. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. I promise y'all my mouth is running. So yeah guys, now that all our pasta is fully coated, you're just gonna continue folding that in. And let's get professional guys, okay? Back to formation. Okay. So now guys, I'm about to plate I'm actually plating it. So guys, now I'm plating my pasta. Oh yes, honey. Okay, I thought I was gonna be professional. Okay. So now guys, I'm plating my pasta and I'm just laying it gently on a beautiful white plate. Yeah. And guys, don't mind the mess that's happening at the side. I'll be wiping that off expeditiously. And now guys, to cut our chicken, I'm cutting my chicken breast. I know it looks dry, dry. I to a jerk chicken and it going in the oven. Okay, dry. All right. Guys, I'm just gently laying that on my pasta. So my pasta is just gonna serve as a bed. So yeah, just lay it on there and I'll just be tapping that off with some Parmesan cheese. Look at that. Just sprinkle the magic. And guys, we've practically reached the end of yet another amazing but yet successful video. Guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notification, go follow me on IG at Alicia's_kitchen. And thank you guys once more for stopping by. I love you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.